My name is Balkis, and today I'm going to show you how to register for AEC online classes. We always get questions about how to improve your English, whether that's for college or for work, and now online courses are a great way to get started. We have opened our courses for all to join no matter where you are in the world. AEC is an ASTITS accredited and CVIS approved school, which means they can issue Form I-20 for F1 students to study in the USA. Also, both of our campuses are located here in Los Angeles. Alright, enough about us, let's get started. First, we're going to go to the online classes tab on the home page. So right over here, you go to aec.edu, you get to see the online classes tab. Click on that. I just love the layout of this website. It's super easy to navigate. You get a little bit of an introduction of our courses, and then literally with 3 easy steps, this is how it works. You sign up, take an online placement test, and then you get started with our live targeted lessons. When you finish, you get a certificate of completion, and that's about it. Here, you get to meet our instructors. Here are a couple of our amazing teachers. Please do watch the videos and kind of get a sense about how our teachers style and how they teach online classes. Then you can scroll down. Classes are offered in 7 different levels and in both morning and evening schedules. Plus, if you are unsure, you can always select the 1-week trial for $50. It gives you access to all of our courses before you commit for a long term, and this way you can try before you commit for longer. Now, when you're ready and you selected the kind of courses you'd like to register for, you can just click on register now. Fill in your personal information. Please make sure your email is correct, and then choose your time zone. This is very important because the time zone will match the courses that you register for. And then you scroll down below. Here you can select the courses that you're interested in. So I'm going to take accent reduction, TOEFL IBT, and public speaking. You can take multiple courses at the same time. Then I'm going to select the duration of my study. So if you want 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, which is 1 quarter, and you can level up from there. Enter a promo code if you have one. Here you get a total of how much you're going to pay for your courses. Enter your credit card information. Please do not forget to add how did you hear about us. We'd love to know if it was from a family, friend, agent, social media, or other. Register for your online courses and just wait for that email. It will have all the class information and how to join us via the Zoom app. I hope that was easy and full of information. If you have any questions, please comment or send us an email to info@aec.edu. Bye bye for now.